Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. A quick look at rivers here in the southern Red River Valley, particularly that Red River in Fargo. We are at the minor flood level at 20.43 feet. Rivers are rising here in the southern valley. The rest of our locations not at flood stage, although that is not the case for the Wild Rice River at Abercrombie. It's expected to be on its way up through the weekend into next week and should be cresting right around 20 feet as we go through next week. The Red River here in the Fargo-Moorhead area is going to be rising up through moderate flood stage. It too will crest very close to major flood stage at 30 feet. There's not a lot of snowpack left on top of the ground in the far southern valley, and that's going to help things out. Here is a look at the Maple River at Mapleton. It's expected to rise up into the minor flood stage as we go into early next week. We have to consider long-term forecast range. It does look like one storm misses us to the south. That's a good thing. That's this weekend. Next week, by midweek and beyond, unsettled weather pattern here with chance of light precipitation through the region. Then a more heavy-hitting storm as we go into next weekend. Right now, this European model has it staying to the south. We'll keep our eyes on this. These models tend to change. Look at these moisture levels where you see the yellows here. That's 2 inches of moisture. Greens, 1+ inch of moisture. So we do stand a chance at having some significant and measurable rain over the next 10 days or so. We'll keep you on top of that right now. Get out and enjoy. 50 degrees. It is absolutely stunning out there. I hope you can get out as you look across the Skycam. Crystal clear skies. We have 40s and upper 30s for much of northwest Minnesota, 36 in Thief River Falls, Detroit Lakes, Wadena, Bemidji Valley. Look at all the 50s out there. Absolutely lovely weather on this Friday afternoon. Sunshine is abundant here in the valley with a few clouds down south in southern Minnesota. As a look at your hour-by-hour forecast this evening, not much changes. Temperatures slowly fall. We could see some patchy fog developing, particularly down to the south as we go through the late night hours. It does look like overnight, well, we have a north wind developing by your morning hours. So patchy areas of fog, some low clouds developing as well. And it's going to be a cool first half of the day with temperatures rising to near 40 by the midday hour. In the afternoon, we will not see as much sun for your Saturday. Temperatures still look warm, but it's going to be hard to beat this afternoon's weather right now. We're going to see temperatures in the 40 with more of a northerly flow keeping us cooler here, particularly in our Red River counties and points into Minnesota. There'll be a shot at some 50-degree weather, but that's going to be reserved to those in parts of central North Dakota. So in Fargo, we rise through the 30s and get back into the mid-40s. Not a bad day, but it's going to be a north breeze at 5 to 15 miles per hour that put a ceiling on our temperatures in the 40s for your Saturday. Hometown forecast shows that northern and northeasterly flow will keep us cooler in northwest Minnesota. Again, any shot at 50, likely Jamestown, Maddock, Devil's Lake, and points west. Tell you what, I'm ready for spring as well. And, well, Carly here decorated the snert, you know, that mixture of snow and dirt. I like that look a whole lot gooder than just the old snowbank. Here's a look at your Sunday forecast. We do not warm up too much because that north wind sticks with us. However, next week the 50s return, Monday and possibly into Tuesday. Tuesday we begin to get unsettled, Andrea, and that unsettled weather lasts for the rest of the week. So there you have it. Your 7-day planner shows nice temperatures into early next week.
Thank you, Hutch. And we have something else to celebrate. It's the small things every day that we highlight.
I love smiling, and today we get to announce a Village Inn Spotlight couple, Merle and Sandy Hassey of Fergus Falls, Minnesota, celebrating 43 years of wedded bliss. Congratulations, you two.